Video, what I'm going to show you is how you can create your PDF presets. All right, so here I have a small 8-page brochure or booklet that I need to send to my client for proofing. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create a PDF file so that I can email him the proof. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is go to File, drop down to Export, and then I'm going to, save it to my desktop. All right, I'll say Save. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to, it says high quality. I'll say View PDF after exporting, and then I'm going to export it out for a PDF file. And once, this is going to take a minute to actually process, but what I want to do is I want to show you the file size and show you how you can actually create a PDF preset in InDesign. Okay, here we go. Here's my PDF file. Looks good. All right, very, very nice. Looks good. All right, so now let's take a look at this and see what the size is. So I'm just going to pull this down. Well, actually, I'm going to close it. I'll close it, get this out the way. All right, and then I'll pull this down. Okay. Pull this down. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the PDF file that we just created on my desktop. I'm going to get some info on that, and as you can see, wow, this file is 16.9 megabytes. It's way, way too big. There's no way I'm going to be able to attach it to an email and send this to my client. So I need to actually downsample this. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Let's pull this back up. All right, and let's try it again. So now what I'm going to do is, since I know I need to get a smaller file, what I'm going to do now is I'll say File. I will say Export. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say Save it, and I'm going to overwrite the one that I just made, the high-res PDF file. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go down to where it says Compression, and I'm going to change these values here to 72, 72, 72, and then 72. Basically what I'm doing is I'm downsampling the imagery because the images, those are the items that are on this document that are really driving these numbers up. So as I made them all 72, 72, 72, I'm going to say Save Preset, and I'm going to call this Low Res, and I'll say OK. So that's going to be my preset. Now when I say Export, all right, it's going to export this out as a low res. And let's take a look at the size and see if this is if it made a difference. Okay, here we go. Here is our new PDF file. All right, at a glance, it doesn't look like it's any different. Okay, scroll down, everything looks good. So let's check out the size and see if it did make a difference. So I'll close up the PDF file. I'm just going to take this InDesign doc and just move it down a little bit. All right, just so that I can show you the new PDF file that we just generated. Here it is right here. I get some info on it. Ah, yes, much better. 3.6 megabytes. And that is suitable for emailing. So that's basically how you can downsample in InDesign, how you can downsample your document so that you can make it suitable for an email attachment. And as you see, once we go up to File, we'll drop down to Export. All right, you're going to notice that that low res option, let's just say I say OK, I'll say Replace, and if you notice that low res option is going to be there, it's going to be one of the options in your dialog box that you'll be able to pick whenever you need to use it, especially if you have a very large file that needs to be downsampled to a smaller file so that you can send your client the actual email attachment without blowing up his server or their server, I'll put it that way. So anyway, that's how we create a preset for our PDF files